What is up, everybody? All right, we're getting into getting this pacer ready to go. We've said goodbye and now it's still here, but we got to get it ready to go for my friend to pick up. So I need to put a new turbo in. As you can see, there's some little bit of play, and it's probably from me. I think there's a couple different things that happened. Maybe this new feed that I got, I forgot to drill it out. That could be one thing. And then two, like I said, I was pretty much banging the hell of the two-step like all the time as soon as I put this back on. So I think the mix of those two is probably not great. Maybe it just start for oil. So be careful, be mindful, ask the people you buy your turbo from what they want. That's super important. A lot of you probably already know that. I was getting after it, and I was just gonna do like a another Charlie Chapman style video for like the way out of this car, and then it just got kind of complicated, and I wanted to explain a couple things. So here we are. This turbo is like the newer style 7875 from VS Racing, and I had a really old 7875, like one of the first. So that's probably another reason why this thing's pretty old. Still looks okay. I might still be able to rebuild it. Maybe not. And as I was getting ready to put on this new one, I realized that I'm gonna have to put another wastegate on. So I called Junior up. I said, hey, Junior's my friend buying the car. How do you want the turbo? Is it cool if I put it back in the same place? Do the wastegate and the housing? He's like, dude, do exactly. I don't care. Send it. And I was like, I'm into that. So I'm gonna bolt this guy up. We're gonna take a measurement. I'm gonna try to do a little bit better so the wastegate doesn't hit the fender like it was, and then also maybe gets like proper flow. So let's get into it, do a little bit of cutting and welding here on it's a gorgeous Sunday here in Tucson. The rain seems like it might be over. Look at her, just waiting for somebody. All right, Operation Sweatbox commenced. The door is closed. I learned from a couple people that you want to have that door closed for argon coverage. We're gonna go ahead and burn in this wastegate tube, and then we'll put on the V-band. So we got this sweet, Harbor Freighter. Tried to clean my shield. It's terrible. We got some fitment. That's terrible. And then I already washed it with some acetone. So we're gonna use, I have an Everlast 185. I really like it so far. One possible issue we can get in a later date, but let's get to welding before lunchtime. Not terrible, not great. There's a huge gap right here, and I filled it. And that's some good practice with the TIG, is filling gaps. Now it's my lunchtime, so I shall eat. We'll finish this. I got faith, man. We're finishing this today. Let that thing cool off a little bit. It's probably a smart thing to do. So I think. Bam! This is the 7875 cast from VS, looking good. I put the wastegate like up higher because he didn't really care, and I also wanted it to like flow better. And then I had it like way too tight here. I don't know, this is easy, either way. He doesn't have, he kind of likes it like this, I think. So we've got some good welds in there. There's some good ones there. And then there's some bad ones in here too, of course. But hey, man, you gotta show them all off. There's a pretty big gap. I think I told you guys, but it came out okay. All right, one of my least favorite things to do here. Had some damage footage at the end of this video, so I'm gonna try to wrap it up for you. We're pretty much almost done with getting this pacer ready to go for junior. We just need to get the injectors. I need to go through them, put some new baskets in them. They're on the way. The rail is off, as you can see, and the injectors are out. So we'll swap the baskets. We'll flow the injectors at a local shop. We'll show you guys them. Very cool that they let us do that. Very pumped about that. For those of you new, we have Monday, Thursday, and Saturday uploads. That's kind of still new for me, but I'm gonna adhere to it for as long as I possibly can, or if anything changes. Let me know how you guys are liking that. It seems like the people that have been watching for a while, you guys are digging it. So let me know down below if you're into it. Over here, there's a subscribe button if you're feeling what we're doing here. You like it, you wanna see more of this Fairmont, which maybe we'll do another video for the Fairmont this Thursday or Saturday, I haven't decided yet. Yeah, go ahead and click subscribe, follow along, get some notifications about what we're up to. And then up here is a video of the first episode for the Fairmont build. So I'm really excited about that and kind of pumped to see this go to my friends. So a lot of good things happening. Hope you guys are having a good week. Happy Monday. Get after it. I'm out. Peace.